Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I recreate this sweater nail design. So let's jump right into it. I have already put on the colors that I'm choosing, which is these beautiful nudes. And I've already did 2 coats of each color and cured it. And also the matte top coat and cured that as well. I'm using the colors A416 by Beetles, 007 by Model 1, and I believe A365 by Beetles. And this is also the brand top coat that I'm using. It's also by Beetles. I get everything from Amazon. So in this first design, I'm going to start off going down the middle of the nail, doing these parallel lines. You can do them any thickness you want. I prefer to do thinner lines. That's just what I like, but it's up to you. And then after, we're basically going to reconnect the lines on one side as like an S shape. And you just want to take your time, and there's no need to rush because you're not going to cure this yet until you've put powder on. So just take your time. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and draw one line on each side, going all the way from the top of the nail to the bottom. You honestly could play around with this design, the sweater nail design. You can do anything you want and just overlay the acrylic powder. And I promise you, I think everything is gonna look cute. So right here, I'm going to be drawing some mini lines on the side. You can get really creative and do anything you want. I honestly just get some of my, inspiration from Pinterest. Pinterest is like my best friend next to Amazon. But yeah, so basically just, you can either follow this trending design or you can do whatever you want. But after that, I'm just going to be putting on a clear acrylic powder over the entire nail. And please be a little bit generous because you want to make sure you want to get everything on what you basically just created on the nail. And you're going to just go ahead and cure that. I just cure it for about 90 seconds in the lamp. So I went ahead and took it out of the lamp and used my brush and removed the remaining dust from the acrylic powder. And there goes design number 1. It's really not that hard. You just have to be patient, take your time. There's no need to rush, and basically make sure you cure it. So the next design, I'm gonna go ahead and recreate some hearts. I did 3 decent sized hearts going down the middle of the nail, and I'm using my dotting tool just to create 2 dots and using my line brush to basically create a heart. Just wanted to let you guys know that we have also recently dropped our fall collection on our website, and this is actually the olive green sweater set that we have on there. If you are new, please check out Valencia Beauty Bar. So next, I'm going to go ahead and recreate a line going down the nail on both sides. And here, I'm going to put another line at the bottom near the tip and at the top of the nail. I'm honestly just making it up. And I think it came out really pretty and very simple. I just went ahead and put some dots in between, everything, just to give a little bit more texture. So when I go ahead and put the acrylic powder, it can be a little bit more poppin', So this last design is going to be a snowflake. I decided to do a snowflake one because, even though that everything is the typical sweater design, I wanted to do something different. And I went ahead and used my dotting tool and create one dot and basically drew like what I think is six lines, 6 to 8 lines on the nail. Went ahead and drew these little lines to create the actual snowflake, and I did it on both sides of the line. I guess it's kind of self-explanatory. Right here, I went ahead and added some more of these dots just to create some more texture, and went ahead and poured acrylic powder all over it like the first 2 times, cured it in the lamp, and there you have it. The designs came out so pretty, so simple, so easy. Thank you guys for watching.